Good evening to everyone. This is your man once again, Awini Unity platform. Um, Quick video I want to share to family and friends out there, like always. Um, be very careful, very careful with the people you allow into your life. Be very careful with the friends that you allow into your life. And be careful that how you always want to share your personal things to people around you. Never do that. Learn how to and keep your personal things no matter what. Um, the end of the day, if you have patience and watch the video till the end, you're going to understand what I'm addressing here. You see, maybe now that you are watching my video and you have no idea about yourself, 5 years to come, you don't know where you will be in that time. 10 years to come, you have no idea where you'll be in life. So today, I'm standing here to let you understand that maybe today, where you are, you think that that is where you will be in life. No. So it is very important if you have goals, if you want to achieve something in life, the only way can permit you to do so if you, as a young person, if you learn how to keep your personal things now and the kind of people you allow into your life now. That's the only way you can achieve your dreams and your goals. Why I'm saying this, you see, we are living a modern world that a lot of people do so many things and you have no idea. Never say you want to share something to a friend, something that you knew in your mind that this is my personal secret, this is my personal things. You don't need to say, this is my best friend. Listen, we are living this modern world. There is nothing like a best friend. This modern world we are living, there is nothing like a best friend. Everyone are eager to survive in life. So there is nothing like a best friend. You have people around you, they are around you just because sometimes they benefit something from you. So the moment that is over, all the things you say to them, not all of them can able to keep it for people not to know. So there is a friend today, good today, bad tomorrow. So if you're a young person coming up, you have to always learn how to keep your personal things. Why I'm saying this, 5 years to come, you have no idea where you will be in life. 10 years to come, you have no idea where you will be in life. And if you say some certain things in your personal things you share to people today, they can rise against you 10 years to come. They can rise against you maybe 5 years to come. That is why it is very important for you to learn how to keep your personal secret and your personal things. So many things. I want you yourself to check and do your research when it comes to African things and so many things. You see some friends and family have a little bit issues. The end of the day, the two of them that having communication with each other, their personal things, you realize that someone tried to, or these two friends, one of them will come out with their audio that they have for years back or their video chat they have for years back. You see, I want you to understand this. This modern world we are living, we are not the same. We are not how you are. I don't think that is how the people are. Some people, when they see you, even talking to you, they knew where you will be in 5 years to come. They knew where you will be 10 years to come, but you yourself, you may not have no idea. So, for you telling them all your secret and your personal things, why? Because they already knew that you will be in this in 10 years or 5 years to come. So they will try to keep your personal things. It could happen that 5 years to come, you will fight to get some position, and they will also fight to get that position. So the only way they can damage you to get that position is the things that you are sharing with them today. It's the things that you are sharing with them today. Some people are so damn that sometimes they can keep your things, because when you are a free person, when you are a free-minded person, you don't have those kind of ideas. So how you go, how you are free, your eye, like your everything, your heart are clean. Sometimes you think the people that you are moving, that is how they are. But I want you to understand that how you are, that is not how everybody are in life. The way you think, that is not how they think. So that is why it is very important. Everything, if you are a young person and you really want to achieve something in life, be very, very careful how you see it. Don't say this person is my friend. Even myself, sometimes I used to um, say to some of my friends around me that, look, if you are doing something and you knew in your mind that this you are doing is your personal something, don't tell me. Don't say, well, your good friend. You want to share with me. No, I want you to understand is that how you believe me that I am your good friend. Do not forget that I also have someone somewhere else that I also believe that he or she is my good friend as well. So at the end of the day, you may say the things to the person, and that person is not get, maybe some of them are not just willing that they want to voice it out, but because they also have someone somewhere and they believe that when they share this to that person, is not going to take it out, and they go and share to that person. And that person that your friend is sharing the problem to also have someone that they believe. So if you have something and you knew that this is only your personal things, never say this person is my best friend. There is no best friend in this modern world we are living. We all hang with each other because what benefit we will get from each other. That is the fact. When that benefit is over, nothing more. That is one thing I want you to please understand. Um, and the kind of word you always say good things about yourself. Say good things about yourself. You know, um, a years back, I used to say some certain things like I always say. I used to say some certain things, and people around me will feel like, "Ah, why you say something that you cannot afford?" And even myself, I feel like, why I even say it. But everything you open your mouth, say this word, let us be a good thing. It will come to pass. It will come to pass no matter what. It will come to pass. So never say something thinking that the things that you are saying, you are just saying it. No, it will always come to pass. So be very careful how you do your things. So these friends and all these things I'm sharing with you. See, one of our brother doing videos in US, Tuni Jonas. I want to give you something example. You see how Tuni Jonas like rise up and everybody are following, getting views. People are trying to watch videos. You see now a lot of people are going back way back now, bringing out of Trini Jonas old videos, and even there are some people that now try to come out. Um, some week they came out and talking about the ways of making Trini Jonas pass to go America and things that they do and so many things. You see, they are now coming out with is something that maybe Trini Jonas have with them their personal movement or their personal something. But now they realize that the guys are rising even more than us. So most of them are finding ways to come out with something that will pull the person down. That is why maybe years back, Trini Jonas himself do not even know that maybe he will be where he is now. So if those years he was doing something that affecting or selling something that may be sharing a personal secret or personal things to those people, don't you think that maybe now they will use that against him to damage his own image now? That is why it is very important that if you're a young guy or young lady coming up and you are fighting to get somewhere, never there are some certain things, no matter what, let it be you. in you. Never say, this is my best friend. Never go stand somewhere and have a good time with the people and forget yourself to share some certain things. If not, years to come, they will use that against you and you have no idea. 10 years to come, trust me, where you are today, you may think that that is where you will be in life. Never. That is not where you will be in life. You will get somewhere, and the things that you say today, some of the people will rise and use that against you. And I already make a point here that there are some people, the moment you talk to them, they know where you will be in 5 years' time. There are some people you talk to them, they know where you will be in 10 years' time. But even you yourself, you have no idea. So those who have those kind of idea that you will be somewhere 5, 10 years to come, they will try to keep the things that you are sharing with them today. And when you get there, they will use that to damage your image. So if you have vision, if you have good, learn how to keep your personal things. And finally, today Sunday, what I have for mothers and fathers as well, the message I have for fathers and mothers, you see, there are some fathers, there are some mothers, there are some parents, when their kids are doing something, you see, sometimes if you have kids, at least at the end of the day, you will see some of them will try to be stubborn. When some kids are trying to be stubborn, do not just wake up and say some certain things to them anyhow. Why? Because there are some parents, when their kids are doing something or behaving some way, instead for them to find some way to address it or to handle them, they will always coming out, you will never be better. This kind of behavior that you are behaving, I don't think that you will go somewhere in life. This kind of behavior that you're behaving, it is only here you will be. You see, this word you are saying to them, it will affect them years to come, but you have no idea. You think that you are just saying it. Parent, please, words are very powerful. Very, very powerful. So be very careful with the kind of word. Maybe the kid did something and you are angry and you just come out as a mother or as a father thinking that you are saying something. No, you are not just saying it. But those kind of things you are saying bad to them, it will affect them years to come. Maybe you have no idea. So I want to please tell you, even if the kids are very bad doing something, find a way to handle them. Always use words that you want to see them to be flying in life. I'm giving you something, example, myself, I have experience way back in my village those days. They have some man, he was a kind of man like always saying a bad thing against his own kid. All the time he'll be saying things that you people will not be better with this kind of behaviors. I don't see you people going anywhere in life. Sorry to say, most of all the man kid, the girls and the boys now, sorry to say, most of them don't know their left and right. They are like a, sorry to say, like a thing to useless something. Why? Because what the man was saying for those years, he was thinking that it's something that he's just saying it, but it affect all the kids in life now. That is how I'll please tell you, be very, very careful. Never just come out and say something to your kid because you are getting angry. It will go against them years back. If you want to see them flying in life, sometimes say things that you want to see them and sit down and be happy with them. If you want to be happy with them for years to come, say things that you want to see. You see people behave around everywhere. You think that some of the people are just coming out for insulting. The people that come out with insult with so many things, it is not just they want to do, but if you go deep to their background, maybe some of their fathers or their grandmother or some of their parents, I was like that. So it's into their blood. So everything they want to say, in this life or to anybody is insult. So this is what I have for everyone. Be very careful and choose your friends wisely because you have no idea where you will be in 5 to 10 years to come.